Working from home, your new business. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and if you're watching this, you're probably looking for something exactly like that, a new business online. How to start a new business, working online, working from home, affiliate marketing, any of these things. Well, you have come to the right place because I've got exactly what you're looking for. I have the Invincible Marketer, which is a program complete to allow you to go from nothing to a complete business, all in the one plan. And that is exactly what I have completed. I've done it, so anyone can do it. That's the promise. So this is exactly what you want. You can make a program, you can make a business online, and this is the perfect climate now for working businesses online. You can make it on any subject you want. You just have to decide on the subject, and preferably one that you know something about, because after a while things can get sticky when you're continually working on your business and you're answering questions on your business. So one that you know about will help you immensely all the way through the system. The course is very simple to use. It's simply videos. You get a complete set of videos so that you can watch the videos at your own speed. It depends on you entirely whether you want to watch one after the other, the whole lot. You can do it either way. It doesn't matter. But the thing is, what you should do, and what I did, and I was advised to do in the course, you watch a single video, then you complete the task that the video asks you to do. Then you go on to the next one. If you make a mistake in it, you simply go back and check on that video again. Check the video, go back. And one of the things that I kept getting wrong, well, a couple of times I did, I forgot to save my work. I'd go in and I'd make the alterations in the program, and I'd go on and oops, nothing happened. I forgot to save the work. And after a while, I got the message, as you do. So therefore, you learn by your mistakes, and that's the whole thing. You don't just give up and go away. No, you learn by the mistakes, and then you get on. And by the time you have finished the course, you come to the end of the course, however long it may be, depends entirely on your addiction to it. I shouldn't really say that, but you can get, you come on and say, oh, I must do this, and you really do, because you want to see the end result, and you keep going at it. And this is the whole point of gaining a business. Now, this is the easiest form of business to have and to make. If you go out and have a shop, which I did, you have all the overheads, you got staff, you got furniture, you got stock, everything you've got to keep in the shop. So you've got, your money is tied up in it. And people love to come along and pinch things and do all sorts of things. That's it. But online marketing is a totally different animal altogether. You don't have big outlays. You just put your time into it. Therefore, you can make your time work for you. And that's the beauty of it. Now, all you got to do to get further information about this is to click on the link below in the description box, and then I will send you further information about the sequence, about the system. So once you get on my email list, then we can correspond. I can talk to you, you can talk to me. You can query anything, I can answer anything, because I've done the course. And that's as simple as that, and that's the best way to do it. So click on the link below, and remember, this is what you've been looking for. And if you haven't, you can tell someone else about it, to say, oh, look, I found this old bloke there who's offering a course that if he could do it, anyone can do it. Exactly. Click on the link below and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.